This iridescent gelato kit makes it easy to mix and match colors with confidence. This is a really neat kit. I love the tools. I love the different colors that comes with it. Gelatos are creamy pigment sticks, and they look like this, that glide on vibrant color, and they will blend with or without water. I'm going to open one up in a minute and show you what it does. But the contents of the kit are 12 of these iridescent gelato colors, 2 sponges. You're going to get one soft and one hard sponge, so that's going to be great for blending and moving that color around. I like those 2 different choices on those sponges. And then you're going to get one brush, so it's a nice angled brush and makes it easy to add a little water to gelatos and then pick up the pigment and use it like a paint. So that's what's great about gelatos. They're super versatile, and you've got all this in one kit. Let me tell you the names of the colors on these because it's just kind of fun. They're iridescent because they're kind of shiny. They're just a little extra shine on there. And the colors are Blue Moon, Satellite, Stardust, Galaxy, Black Hole, Lunar, Mars, Supernova, Odyssey, Starburst, Comet, and Nebula. I just love the color names, so that's a lot of fun. And I want to show you what it can look like. I used some of the same colors. This pink that you see here, this is actually Stardust. I used that on the white and on the black, and look at the 2 different looks. I love that you can get it on black, you can get it to show up, but if I pick it up, you'll see the iridescence. So there's the shine and iridescence. You can really see it picked up there on the black, and it's a nice bright color on the white. Here, that yellow look called Starburst is almost neon on the white, and you can really see it showing up on the black too. So, like I said, it's a creamy pigment stick. You're going to remove the lid, and you can push this up, turn that to make it go up and down. It is pretty creamy. Goes on a little bit like a lipstick would, if you're familiar with that. And then you can just get it thin, you can get it thick. You can grab a sponge and blend it. You can use a little bit of water and use your finger to move it around. And so you can see that it sort of moves around just a little bit right here. You can see that it will blend using a sponge or your finger. I also think baby wipes are great for getting these to move around, getting that color to move around. And you can blend them with each other. You can add colors on top of each other. Let's see, what do I have here? Galaxy, maybe I'll use a blue. So a Blue Moon. If I want to try to blend that with one of these, I just put it right on top of it. And you can see that where it's not touching it, it's going to be blue, but when you put it right on top of that, it's going to turn it a purple. So they are really easy to blend, and then I'm just going to do a little bit more blending. It's kind of fun to crisscross those colors like that. So it's a nice kit because it's got those 12 colors, 12 iridescent colors, so you're getting a little extra shine there. 2 sponges and 1 brush, and that's the iridescent gelato kit.